in our home and guest house, you can use drying machine and washing machine for free. So I tell you how to use these machines. The below one is washing and drying machine. So first of all, you put your laundry and pull this red one, and then turn on and just start. But if you want to dry with this two, you can press this one and then play. And then this one is only drying machine because this laundry machine not complete dry laundries. So I recommend after wash your laundry and dry your laundry with this machine. Same. Put your laundry after washing, and then just turn on and play. The whole time about 2 hours. That's all.